Let's find the area of the region bounded by y equals sine x, y equals cosine x equals 0, and x equals pi over 4. Here we have a picture of that region. The vertical line x equals 0 is of course right on the x-axis, and then this is the vertical line x equals pi over 4. We see that the two curves intersect there at pi over 4. You should know that sine and cosine are equal there. Now, to find this area, we need to integrate the upper function minus the lower function from x equals 0 to x equals pi over 4. Which function is upper? Is it sine x or is it cosine x? Hopefully you know that sine of 0 is 0 and cosine of 0 is 1. So certainly this upper function is cosine, and this lower function, which starts at 0, is sine. So let's go ahead and do the integral in order to find the area of that interesting little region. Again, all we have to do is take the integral of the upper function cosine x minus the lower function sine x from 0 to pi over 4. Those are the bounds the question gave us, x equals 0 and x equals pi over 4. Integrating these is pretty straightforward. The integral of cosine x is sine x, and the integral of negative sine x is positive cosine x. Then we just have to evaluate this from 0 to pi over 4. When we plug in pi over 4, like we said before, sine and cosine are equal there. Hopefully you know your unit circle. They're both equal to root 2 over 2. So sine of pi over 4 is right there. Cosine of pi over 4 is right there. And then we subtract, plugging in the lower bound of 0. And again, sine of 0 is 0, cosine of 0 is 1. Now root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2, we can combine those into 2 root 2 over 2. And then we just have minus 1. Now the 2's cancel out with that 2 root 2 over 2 term. So once those cancel out, we just have root 2 minus 1. And that's the area of the bounded region. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.